So Gijs, we have a lot of cameras on this wall, and as we continue to expand the camera portfolio, I kind of just want to talk to you about what's here and what you're most excited about showcasing. We've got everything from the 3100, 5100, 7100, 8000i, and 8100, the brand new one. But there's a couple other ones here that you're pretty excited about. Can you kind of run us through those?
Yeah, of course. So indeed, we have the mainstream portfolio with cost effectiveness for the 3100. For more professional setup, which can run all our latest generation analytics, we have the 5100. And then indeed we go up into the higher end products with 7100, 8100 to really get like the best cameras we have. So a few cameras that are basically about to be released or are in the process of being released into a full lineup are, I think we can highlight three of them. Up there we have our new thermal camera. Our current thermal camera has been in the market for quite some time, and I think we had some key areas where we wanted to improve. So the biggest improvement that you can already see based on the form factor, we changed from this old school outdoor housing box camera type design to the bullet camera form factor, which makes it way easier and faster to install. Also adding quite important features which were not yet available on the old product, like PoE power supply. Right? Sounds basic, but it was a big gap on the old product. So it's this big improvement on installability, functionality, while at the same time maintaining like industry-leading long-range video analytics. So our IVA Pro perimeter is also on this new thermal camera, ensuring that we have the industry-leading edge analytics with long range and reliability.
Yeah, and that's a big improvement and upgrade for especially perimeter type applications where we're trying to secure those perimeters, and with that new form factor, those new analytics, that's going to be pretty powerful.
Yeah, exactly. So I think that's really a big launch. That's set for middle of the year.
Okay.
You already see like the first image already looks great. So I think also image quality-wise for a thermal camera, sounds a bit strange, image quality, but it's actually a big improvement also over the existing one. So I expect great things of that. Then over on this side we have our new 8100 series. So we had a lot of success with our Flexidome 8000. Right? We sold it into great projects. This next generation upgrades the old Flexidome 8000 with key improvements like a new platform, our CPP14 platform. So it now can also run all the latest IVA Pro packages, running from the visual gun detection to license plate recognition, the AI-based IVA Pro perimeter, everything you can now run also on the new Flexidome 8100. And I think another key addition to this product lineup, a really big expansion, is the addition of the integrated IR models. So before it was only non-IR, which with great sensitivity, right? We had the Starlight X and the HRX technology, but of course in those scenarios where you don't have any lighting or very, very poor lighting, then having also an integrated IR option, I think is a great addition to that lineup.
Yeah, and I can tell you from experience that customers love the 8000i and the ability of having that one camera placement and being able to position it wherever they need to. Yeah. And now with this, we're feature packed in putting all those features you just mentioned into that, and even beyond that, the IR is programmable, right? So if it's up against the wall, you don't necessarily have to be shooting IR against the wall. You can kind of position it the way you need to.
Yeah. So all the great stuff from the Flexidome 8000 is maintained, like the motorized PTRZ for that commissioning, that great user experience, but then all these new additions, I think, make this, again, like, in my opinion, the best camera, of course.
Yeah, it's fantastic. So I noticed there's something new over there on the PTZ side of things. Can you kind of tell us what else we have?
I think that was a big gap in our portfolio for the US market. We have, of course, great high-end PTZ cameras like the MIG camera or the Autodome 7100, but they're at this premium price point. So we are releasing shortly also Autodome 5000 series, actually in different flavors. So all the way from like a standard in-ceiling or pendant mount dome to one that has an integrated IR and a flat window, all the way to that model that you have over there, that has long range IR, integrated white light, a wiper, a rain sensor, so quite advanced functionality, but then at this price performance balance of our 5000 series, right? So I think this is a great addition in our moving camera portfolio, to have also this segment below our premium high-end products with the Autodome 7100 and the MIG, that we also have now a great offering in this 5000 series that gives you a really nice balance between performance, features, as well as costing.
Yeah, and meeting customers' requirements and application needs.
Yeah.
I really appreciate you running us through this. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.